There we go to the categories of the Old Testament books. And here, remember, there you've been told you should conduct online library, yes, but we cannot do that in pairs. So we have human authors in the Bible. You raise up your hand, you tell me the book and the author, yes? Yes, Judges by Samuel, yes? Yes? Ezra by Ezra.
Joel by Prophet Joel.
Yes, Joel by Prophet Joel. You've talked, yes? Yes? Psalms by David. David, very good, yes? No, you cannot look. We say there's no looking, yes?
Proverbs, Solomon.
Yes. Proverbs was written by Solomon, Agar, and Lemuel, yes? Yes, Malachi, Prophet Malachi, yes. Someone who's not spoken, yes? Nahum, Prophet Nahum. Nahum, Prophet Nahum, yes. Galatians by Paul. Yes, very good. Yes, at the back. Exodus by Moses. Yes.
Malachi by Prophet Malachi.
Yes, Malachi by Prophet Malachi. Yes.
Songs of Solomon by King Solomon.
Yes. Songs of Solomon by King Solomon. Yes. Sorry? By? Yes, Philippians by Paul. Someone who's not spoken. You've not spoken, yes?
Nehemiah by Nehemiah.
Yes, Nehemiah by Nehemiah. Yes.
First Samuel was written by Samuel, Nathan, and God.
Yes. First Samuel was written by Samuel, Nathan, and God. Yes.
Obadiah, Prophet Obadiah.
Very good. Obadiah, Prophet Obadiah. Yes.
Ezra by Ezra.
Yes. Ezra by who? By Ezra. Yes. Yes. Yes, Amos by Prophet Amos. That is what you wanted to say. So we've talked about all of them. There's something different. You can repeat. Oh, what did you want to talk about?
Jeremiah by Prophet Jeremiah.
Yes, Jeremiah by Prophet Jeremiah. So we have Genesis by Moses, Joshua by Joshua and Phinehas, Judges written by Samuel, First Samuel written by Samuel, Nathan and God, Ezra written by Ezra, Nehemiah written by Nehemiah, Psalms was written by David, King Solomon, Songs of Korah, Heman, Moses and Ethan. Proverbs was written by Solomon, Agar and Lemuel. Songs of Solomon by King Solomon. Look at your paper. Isaiah was written by Prophet Isaiah. Jeremiah by Prophet Jeremiah. Ezekiel by Prophet Ezekiel. Daniel by Prophet Daniel. Hosea by Prophet Hosea. Joel by Prophet. Amos by Amos. Obadiah by Obadiah. Jonah by Prophet. Micah by Prophet. Nahum by Prophet. Habakkuk by Prophet. Zephaniah by Haggai by Zechariah by Prophet. And Malachi by Prophet. Very good. So now we have to categorize Old Testament books. That is, we put them into groups, the Old Testament books. So we are going to put them in law books, historical books, poetic books, prophetic books. And in prophetic books, we have major prophets and what? Minor prophets. So the Old Testament has 39 books. You have to note that down. When you're writing, don't forget to say it has 39 books.
Yes.
And they are categorized into 4. Law books, historical, poetic, and prophetic. And then we start with the law books. They are also known as Pentateuch. Pentateuch means what? 5. Penta, 5. Pentateuch. It means 5. So that means there are 5. They are also known as, law books are also known as Torah. So Torah is whereby God gave Moses the Torah. to give to the Israelites. These were the rules that they were given. We call them the 10 Commandments, yes? Yes, they were given to Moses by God at Mount Sinai. The books are Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. The first 5 books, you have to know them. They are the ones who are referred as Torah, Pentateuch. Yes? Don't forget, they are called the law books. And then we have the historical books, and there are 12 books. The secondary, Joshua. We have Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 1 and 2 Samuel, 1 and 2 Kings, 1 and 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, and Esther. Those are called historical books. And then we have the poetic books. And you know, they are called poetic because of the style of writing. The style that is used is like just like the way you know poetry. Poetry is C.R.E, right? You see how they are written? They are written like that if you read in the Bible. So they use the poetic style of writing to express God's message. These books is Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Songs of Solomon. And then we have the prophetic books, and they are divided into 2. We have major prophets and minor. The major are only 5. We have Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, and Daniel. And then we have minor prophets, and they are 12 in number. We have Hosea, Obadiah, Nahum, Haggai, Joel, Jonah, Habakkuk, Zechariah, Amos, Micah, Zephaniah, and Malachi. So you have to know all these books in the Old Testament, and you have to know the 4 groupings. So in case you asked the poetic books, you can just say, for example, there is Job and Ecclesiastes. We are going to continue looking at them at a deeper level. We can't use a jigsaw puzzle. And then I wanted you to fill page 6. You have page 6? You have page 6? How come we don't have page 6? Because there is a table that we are supposed to fill. Where did I take those papers? Can you now start shortening those notes?